everybody, it's Tory here from GoodyBeads, and I'm with Candie Cooper.
Hey everybody, hey Tory.
Hey Candie. You know what we get to play with today?
My favorite jewelry making tool.
Yay! The Sizzix.
This tool is the Wonder Woman.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a hardcore woman.
Wow.
Wonder Woman of tools. It can do so many things.
Yeah, we just started playing with it yesterday, and I am amazed at all the amazing things we can do with it. I'm just so excited.
And I have to say, Tory, we're just like this. We're just
scratching the surface.
Yeah, we're just getting into it.
Nice.
So hold on to your hat.
Yes, absolutely. And for this video, we're going to show some tassels and how to make some tassel and fringe pieces.
Some really fun fringy pieces.
Yes.
This is probably one of the most popular dyes because fringe is not going anywhere in the fashion world.
No, it is not. Fringe and tassels are everywhere.
That's how I made my little charm for my necklace with this tool. So I'm going to show you how to make a basic tassel. You're going to make some earrings.
I'm going to make some fringe earrings.
We're going to get the party started with our Sizzix movers and shapers dyes. Now you added a couple of fringe dyes to the
We did,
site.
yes. Yep, we sure did.
And if you're unfamiliar with Sizzix, these are the movers and shapers dyes. And you can see, let's just show them the packaging that these are going to come in. You want to keep your package because at the bottom right here is going to show you how many dyes come per pack, and as well as the dimensions and the shape. So that's excellent. That's good information just to keep those in your stash.
Adorable packaging as well.
Really great packaging.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're using the long skinny fringe piece. We're going to go ahead and make sure that it's secured to our shuttle with the magnetic.
Yep.
You want to
always. How great is it that they're magnetic?
Yeah, that's how you know it's in the right spot. A lot of times people want to use these as cookie cutters and put their leather down.
Oh yeah, no.
And that's going to zap your tool.
Yep.
In about one roll.
Absolutely.
So go ahead and put your movers and shapers down. Are we doing rose gold or
whatever color you want to do? Yeah.
Rose gold is, you know, so hot. It's not. I was just in New York, and there's still a ton of rose gold everywhere. So.
And this is all genuine leather.
And you've got it on the site, right?
Yep. And we have it on the site, and it comes in great sizes to be able to use with, you know, a bunch of these different shapes, and you definitely get more than one piece out of each of these strips, which is great as well.
Good point. So I've secured my die to the platform. I've gone ahead and put my leather beautiful side face down. Then we're going to put the cutting pad on top of our sandwich. You want to kind of tilt your platform in, push it in as far as you can push it, and then we're just going to roll the handle in the direction that you want your shuttle to go.
Great. Yep.
Okay, so, and it's that easy. Look, I didn't even have to hold on to the tool. Remove your platforms, pull away your scrap, and then you've got your beautiful piece of fringe.
So fun.
This would take you days, and it would never end up as perfect as it does right now.
Absolutely. If you've ever tried to cut your own fringe, you know.
I wasn't watching you yesterday. Did you use this dye for your earrings, or did you use a different one?
I used a different one for the earrings.
You did? Do you want to go ahead and cut a piece just to get it done? What shape? I got the rose gold.
Yep, it was this shape.
Okay. And you can mix and match your dyes too. Sometimes I go ahead, when I'm getting things lined up, I'll go ahead and kind of figure out, I think we can actually scoot that right onto the side, just like so, and conserve our leather.
Oh yeah.
So we're just going to set that down, magnetic side down first, then we're going to put the platform, or the cutting pad on top, push it in as far as you can, and then roll it back through.
And then I did sort of break one of your rules when I made the other earring.
What'd you do?
Because I wanted them to both be facing the same way.
So did you flip your leather?
I did.
Good tip. So you're allowed. You're allowed.
You're allowed. But yes, it does come out much nicer when you do pretty side down, I would say. But I'm a sucker for symmetry.
Like that design. Yeah. Well, I think that's one of, I talk about that all the time with my students and whatever. It's like so annoying when you have a charm.
Yes.
And they don't
go the same way. Yeah.
Here's your other half.
Thank you.
We're good on cutting?
I think we are good on cutting.
I'm going to slide this tool off to the side.
I'm going to make a little space for myself here.
Okay, we're ready to craft.
Yes.
So now I'm using some what is this glue?
Super new glue.
Super new glue.
It's our favorite glue here.
I'm new to this glue, and I really like it.
Yep.
As well as one of your tiara cast bell caps.
Yep.
Okay.
10 mil.
And just a tip, guys. This has a nice edge, so if you want to wrap some cup chain or something around the top of your tassel, you can go that route.
Or a different coordinating color of leather.
Right. But if you're gluing it into something and you don't want that extra edge to show, sometimes it's worth just chopping it down with scissors.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. And then to finish it up, this is like, you guys are gonna be amazed at how easy it is. You're just gonna roll your tassel up to check the diameter of against the inside diameter of your bell cap, because we are gonna have a little bit of extra fringe if I remember right. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of eyeball it there, and you can always like cut, you know, a little bit extra just to make sure. Check your fit.
You can always cut again.
Yeah,
you can't really put back.
No, which I'm going to need to. But how fast do these go together?
So fast.
So if you're like doing farmers markets or making gifts or whatever, if you're selling jewelry,
you can make a bunch of them.
I'm going to leave that alone, and then all I'm going to do, I can just explain this because it's that easy while you work on your earrings, is put a little bit of adhesive down the side of the leather, and then I'm going to roll it up and glue it, and then put a little glue inside the cap, and then just put 1 + 1 = amazing tassel. And I love the necklace that you used with that your chain and all of that over there.
Yep, just adding the beaded chain adds just a nice little something so extra.
Fancy without the extra like making those links
absolutely. So for these earrings, I use this piece, and then I just cut them in half, 3 on one side and 4 on the other.
It's worth mentioning that these are actually 2 different movers and shapers kits.
Yes.
You've got the tag kit. I'm using the basic fringe kit.
Good call.
Just in case. I don't want to be confusing. But you're going to have the instructions for these, or the supply list.
Yes, we sure will.
In the links.
Yes. So, and then I just trimmed a little at the top, because again, you know, you have kind of a long edge there.
I'll race you to the finish, Tory.
Okay.
The hardest part is not getting glue all over yourself, really.
That is a challenge.
You struggle with that, Tory.
I do.
Every day I'm like... Alright. I'm going to put a little glue. I feel like this is like the best set ever, because you can make these, you know, we're using rose gold and metallic leathers, but if you want more of a rustic look, grab your brown leather, you know.
Oh, absolutely.
Another fun thing to do is go to your secondhand store and look for bags and leather jackets and things like that, and cut those up and start making pieces with those. But look at that, I just twisted that in. You can kind of fan out your tassel pieces, your fringe pieces. Awesome. And grab a jump ring here.
Yep, and I've just layered my 2 pieces, so now I have them both layered, and then I'm just going to add a clamp to the top.
Which those clamps, I feel like that is such a great use of those clamps. I don't know about you, but I'll buy those and I'll need like one for some choker or the necklace. And then you have like 20 extra pieces.
You have so many extras. Yep. Absolutely. And they're so easy to use. And you can always add a little bit of glue to them, but I always feel like they're secure enough that...
Do you pinch yours closed, or do you like...
I pinch mine closed with the pliers.
With the pliers, yeah, because they are a little bit rigid. I'm making jewelry while I wear it.
That's how I like to do it. Then I'm just squeezing the clamp closed. I like to squeeze both sides.
Just to make sure.
Just to make sure. So there we have that piece. And then I'm just going to add an ear wire.
Jump rings? You don't even need jump rings.
I don't even need a jump ring.
I used one jump ring. I love projects like this where it's like less is more.
There we go. Just close my ear wire. Look at that.
Done and
earring done.
And these are so trendy right now, those little leatherette earrings.
Yes, they sure are.
Alright, alright. I'm just going to put that right on the jump ring, and I'm just going to leave it right where it is. Excellent. How about them apples?
I love it.
Thank you. I love it too. This metallic rose gold leathers on the side.
Yep, absolutely.
You got all the beautiful chain and findings to go with it.
Absolutely. And everything will be listed in the blog, so check it out.
1 + 1 = done. Love it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Candie.
Thank you, Tory. That was fun.
Yes.